Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2012 GMC Acadia. The rear blower fan's not working. So the first step is going through here into the connector. There's a little space. Check your power and your ground with a test light. I verified that's good. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take this out and then unbolt these where the screws are and pull this trim panel back so I can get at the blower motor. We got a couple screws, one there and one there. Apologize for the lighting. And then this car here looks like it's got some wiring here. This looks like it's for the trailer hitch or some kind of a brake controller. It's got a hitch here and plug in there. Next step is pull these plastic trim pieces off, just like this. And then you can see there's a couple Torx there and there. Remove this clip here, which is right there. There's one little screw behind this airbag trim piece, and then you'll be able to pull this back to access the blower motor. Alright, so we got this trim panel back. Remove the 7mm screw there, not an 8. It's a 7, and then you can see the blower motor there. And right up top there's a T15 Torx. There's actually 3 of them holding it on. Once you get the 3 screws removed, you can unplug the connector and then disconnect this plastic tab that's going into holding this wiring connector on. When you disconnect this connector, you can use a small pocket screwdriver to squeeze this tab here and then pull it out at the same time. And then we got the new blower motor in, 3 screws, and then at this point what you're going to want to do is test to make sure that the blower motor is working. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So turn the key on, make sure that this is off. Rear blower, power. I can already hear that it's working. There you go, that was the problem. And then put all this stuff back together and you're done. It's really not that hard at all. You could do it yourself at home in the garage, just like I did. All right, thanks for watching.